So transformation is a journey. Every moment you can feel the power of transformation within yourself. So the mobile phone I'm using, I bought it very new. কবে কিনছি মাসুদ এটা? কত বছর মে মাসে কিনেছি? I thought that would be the most latest one. This is S8 Plus, right? এখন কি অবস্থা এটা? It is a pretty old one. Now, Note 8, or what else? S9 Plus, Apple, iPhone 8, i10. So many mobile phones are there, right? And it's not even an old one, it's pretty old. It needs to be transformed within 1 year, right? How old your brain is, how old your thought process is, what version of your thinking are you enjoying right at this moment? You are holding the same name. কি নাম আপনার? ছোটবেলা থেকে তো একই নাম নাকি? সূচনা বলে ডাকে, এখনো তাই। দেখেন সূচনা কিন্তু এখনো সূচনা, কিংবা খোকা কিন্তু এখনো খোকা, বাবু কিন্তু মারা যাওয়ার আগ পর্যন্তই বাবু, আর নতুন কিন্তু সবসময় নতুন, right? We are holding the same name, but what version is it running right at this moment? That is very important. আপনারা চিন্তা করবেন যে আপনার যদি অ্যাপল 10, আইফোন 10 যদি আপনি ইউজ করেন, আপনার ভার্সনটা কত? কখনো একবার জিজ্ঞাসা করছেন? আপনি বলবেন স্যার মোবাইল ফোন কোম্পানিগুলো অনেক রিসার্চ করেছে, they are working the day and night to discover a new feature, to discover a new operating system, to add new feature, to add new value for the customer, right? Yes or no? Why they are doing it? Why they are doing it? Why they are so desperate in discovering a new feature? Why? This is because they want to retain the marketplace, right? They want to expand, right? They want to grow, isn't it? Sure? Do you want to grow?
Yes.
What version are you running right at this moment? Have you ever asked? You are running with the old version and you want to attract and retain yourself? No. That is where is the difference. You cannot attract the employer, you cannot attract a boss, you cannot get cooperation or empathy from your colleague, workplace with the same old features and software. Sorry. Transformation means every moment add new feature. Every moment add new feature. What is that feature? Feature that allows you more acceptable to your customer. What feature is required to the employer? What is that feature? Mobile phone company গুলো যদি জানে যে what is that feature need to add, they want upgraded camera, they want better operating system, they want more visibility, they want blah 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 blah. Because I'm not very qualified about mobile phone, because I only use some texting and some sort of conversation. That knows pretty well. But even I don't capture that much of photograph, because I'm not active in Facebook, because I consider my face is always remaining same unless and until I can upgrade other features of mine, because that is given by Almighty and that is almost fixed. এটা তো খুব বেশি চেঞ্জ করা যাবে না. So what I can change more about my feature for transformation? I can read new books, I can discover myself in learning, I can design new model. Model means is learning model, it's not necessarily commonly the way people perceive about model. I can change myself in this way. I can enrich my knowledge. Right? Can you do that? How long it will take to add new feature? Mobile phone takes 1 year. Yes or no? Mobile phone takes 1 year. For you, how much time? It's a fraction of a second. By knowing, by not knowing. By doing, by not doing. By thinking, by not thinking. By believing, by not believing. By making, by not making. By planning, by not planning. By correlating, by not correlating. Look, every moment there are thousands of ways you can add feature. Are you using that? Are you doing that? Are you discovering that? Are you challenging yourself? If you are not, you will be pretty old in the competition. So, take this chance of this revolutionary time when education is so democratized in such a way that American president, when he will need to learn, he will collect his cognitive nutrition from the same source where you can. For me, it was very difficult. I was sharing one experience with the professor that I used to wait 2 hours for watching a video because I had fascination of learning English because of the fact that I am coming from a background of Christian missionary school. My early school was St. Xavier's and St. Classics. But whenever I became a university student, I listened more of a colloquial language, and especially from Dhaka or around, and as well as some other language. So I used to have the taste of listening some nice documentary. I went to British Council and I waited 2 hours to watch 10 minutes. There was great differences between availability of resources. Somebody told me that if you are so desperate to listen and learn, then you need to buy a Walkman. But I couldn't afford it. But nowadays, everything just at a press of a button. What university you need to select? Who is the speaker you need to listen? What time you need to do that? Everything just, if somebody is religious, forgive me, just like kun fayakun. When you will be, and it be, and it is. Just your wish. So, are you taking this chance? Every moment you can add feature. For me, I can show you. My mobile capture all my learning data, and it can document, it can show you that I start very early. My thought journey, my learning journey starts whenever I used to go to the shower even. I used to keep on listening someone whenever I'm taking my shave. Because that time I can make it productive. Who else? I can outplay my competitor even by that moments of learning. So, I want to share one thought model with you, but there are a lot great introduction. But because out of my passion, one thought model I want to share. It's not written, it is not taken from internet or from anywhere. This is my thought model because I own it, because the way I thought it. You can challenge it, you can accept it, you can reject it, you can make it important, you can make it redundant, doesn't matter. I consider how human can potential development model, how human can realize its full potential. There are 2 ways. So it's a single slide, you don't need to write that much because it's a very simple thought. It's not very complex because I'm not a very intelligent person because I cannot offer it too complex. So be pretty sure. So what is it? One part of your life is very repetitive. That part is called maintenance plan. That will not offer you anything. That will give you some livelihood, some social relationship, some responsibility and all this. Just carry on. You can see. If you start, it's just like a circular. It will not grow bigger. It will be just like the way you want. It's a circular way. It's not growing bigger. Same circle with the same diameter. You are just rolling around, right? So can you see some example here? No. Examples of repetitive life. So it will be there. Then, okay, it's not there. Example will pore আছে. And the other part is non-repetitive. What is non-repetitive? For example, what are you eating? Just like breakfast, dinner, lunch. সকাল, বিকাল, দুপুর, রাত, ঘুম, সকাল. Isn't it? So if you look at all the nation, all the tribes, all over the world, everybody is doing it for survival, isn't it? Is there any difference? Is there any difference between the great scientist, greatest scholar, American president, most powerful persons in the world? For them it is almost same. Yes or no? They are also having their breakfast, having their lunch, dinner, sleep, again getting up, right? The life is simply rolling on the same axis without expanding. But it can expand. It can expand, it can grow bigger. Gradually it can grow bigger. How? If you follow this route of life, have you seen? It is continuously growing bigger, isn't it? So, see, look at it. What are the verbs? What are the thoughts? What are the actions? What are the initiatives? What are the beliefs that allow you to grow bigger? Is it there in your mind? Do you hold it as a belief that you can continuously grow bigger? Are you just getting enriched thought every moment? Who are the people are you talking? Who are the people are you listening? Who are the people are you watching? Who are the people are you chatting? Who are the people feeding you with thoughts? This shows the indicator what will allow you to grow bigger. So this is the way. This is the non-repetitive part of life. You might have the same, all 5 people or people just in the same room. You are having the same breakfast, but you might select your cognitive nutrition, your learning material, your listening, your watching, your reading can be different. Yes or no? So, what will change your mind? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, or the learning material you are selecting? People whom are you listening? These are non-repetitive part of life.